This conference will now be recorded.
Greetings, Rotarians. This is Barry Kroll, past District Governor, and for today's purposes, I am the District Webmaster and the District Database Manager, and I will be providing you with instructions on how to enter your 2019-2020 club officers into the district database. Please remember that this procedure can only be performed by those who are currently listed as club officers for the current Rotary year. So let's get started. The very first thing is to open the district website. The address for the district website is www.njrotary.org. You should all have that bookmarked on your computers. From the home page of the district website, I will click Member Login in the top right. This brings me to the District ClubRunner logon page. If you know your logon name and password, you can enter it and type login and you'll be connected. If you've forgotten any of the information or you are a new user, you may click one of these links. It will take you to the next page. It will ask you for your name, your last name, your club name, and your email address as listed in the district database. And it will send you an email with how to reset or create a user ID and password. If you have any difficulties in obtaining that, you can contact me and I can manually reset it for you. So I'm going to assume that most of you will already know your information. As you can see, my information is here. It's there because I've kept this. I've clicked this Keep Me Logged In box, so I don't have to remember or type it in every time I come to this location. And I click Login. It takes me to the administrative portal for the district database. It's the district database as you saw it before. The only difference is at this point you can click Member Area, and when I click on Member Area, as I just did, it brings me to the administrative page of all the things you can do. You may have some things that are grayed out depending upon your level of access to your website based upon how it's been set up by your club administrators. For the purposes of entering officers, it's on the right-hand column here. If I scroll down slowly and go to the section that says For Club Executives, and I scroll down slowly, there is a section called Define Club Executives. When I click on this link, it brings up the next page. And in my case, since I am a member of the Madison Club, it brings up the current year's officers. And this is what we have listed and what we choose to list. To get to the next year, 2019-2020, click Next Year. I've done that, and as you can see, I already have our officers entered into the Madison Club. Let me show you an example of what you may see since your officers are probably not yet entered. I'll select Maplewood as an example. And the positions are pre-filled, predetermined. The 6 that the district want to collect are President, President-elect, Treasurer, Secretary, Foundation, and Membership. We don't want to collect Speaker's Chair necessarily. So I'll delete that position. So once here, and you can see the positions, to fill them in, if you click Edit, it brings a drop-down menu of all of the members in your club, and you can select whoever you want. I'll choose Rich Porter and say Save. And so I've now made Rich the president of the Maplewood Club. The president-elect will make this person, Save. And so on and so forth. You would just fill in all the positions. If you wanted to add something unique to your club or something special to your club, you can add a position by clicking the Add Position button. You can select a predetermined title, or you can choose one of your own. So I'll just take Public Relations, and I'll select Charlene, and I'll save that, and you'll see that we've added the position of Public Relations, and Charlene is that person. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to clear out these positions because these aren't the real people from Maplewood, and Maplewood needs to put in their positions. Okay, you can also, from this page, view club officers for previous years, going back to the time when you started with ClubRunner. And that's the process of entering ClubRunner officers into the ClubRunner system. Again, if you have any difficulties in doing this, please feel free to contact me. Here is my contact information again. I'm Barry Kroll. My email address is barrykroll@aol.com, or give me a call, 973-476-2772. I am the person who will help your club with any technical support issues relative to websites or database management. Thank you for watching the instructional video. Again, our goal is to get this done by February 1st, 2019. Please help by getting your club's information in. Thanks. Have a great day.